we build application which guiding you in Sydney 24/7. You can click the link which we provided. After, click the start button and choose what you want. So we have lots of options. So you see there's lots of attractions. Red button tells you so you're already active.
Straight ahead of us, Hyde Park South, home to the Anzac War Memorial, a solemn Art Deco tribute to Australians who served in war. Now, on your right, the Sydney Mint, built in 1816. During the gold rush, it was converted into a Royal Mint branch and struck Australia's first gold. Now, on your right, Sydney Hospital, Australia's oldest hospital, founded in 1788 with the first fleet.
This application which is implemented as a web page, so no needed to download any app, just click on a link and enjoy your unforgettable Sydney visit.